Life never pauses for anyone. While we wait for the perfect moment, time quietly moves on. Dreams begin to come true when we stop waiting and start moving toward them.
Okay, to do that, the first thing is that we have a story. You have a story you want to tell, and it's a short piece, which I gave ChatGPT the idea, what I really want. I said, I want to write a short piece on life does not wait for anyone. Make your dreams come true, something of that nature, something inspirational. So it helped me to highlight it. See, life does not wait for anyone. While we hesitate, days turn into months and months turns into year. So I asked ChatGPT to help me convert it into both image prompt and video prompt and in watercolor style. And this is the narration. I'm using two scenes for this tutorial. So I'll be generating an image and I'll also be generating a video, and also I'll also be using the narration, the voiceover narration. So to generate image and video, copy the image prompt here, copy the image prompt, and the next thing is to go to Google Flow AI. This is Google Flow AI. You must have registered with your Gmail account. This is Google Flow AI. Then you click on new project. You have a new project now. Okay, you have a new project. Then you come down here. You can see the image creations model that you want to use. I'll be using Nano Banana Pro. Generating, we use 10 credits. And I'll be generating, let's say, one image per prompt. And the aspect ratio I'll be using is 16:9 aspect ratio. So the next thing now is to paste the prompt here and see what it gives to us. Oh, this is nice. This is the first image. Yeah. Let me generate the second image, okay, before we animate. Let me see. Oh, yes, this is okay. And if I really want to generate the first image, if I want to blend the character, if there's any issue of character definition there, what I'm going to do is to use the first image. Let me delete this one. Is to click on these three dots and add to prompt using the information in the first image to create the second image. I'll paste it here. The next thing is to generate. Let's see what it gives to us. Oh, you can see that the character is not consistent. You can see now. So I have the first one and the second one. The next thing is to animate the first one. Let me animate. I click on these three dots and click on animate. Then I click on this video. Then I choose ingredient. Then I choose the video generation model, VEO 3.1 Lite. Okay, I'll be generating. We use 10 credit. So I'm going to paste the animation prompt here. Click here. Then I go ahead to animate. Oh, I think that one is ready now. Let's animate the second one and check both later. Animate the second one. Go to the video, choose ingredient and one video for each prompt. Okay, that is it. And we click on this. Then we generate the second one. Okay. Oh, I think they are ready now. Let's check the first one. There's the first one. There's the second one. We are going to be downloading them. Let's download this. Okay, let's download this. Okay. And download the second one also. Okay, good one. Okay. Okay, the next thing is that we have a voice. Okay, the voiceover. What we are going to be using for the voiceover is OpenAI FM. And I'm going to be telling you the reason why we should use it. OpenAI FM. This is it. An interactive demo for developers to try the latest text-to-speech model. Okay, you can use it. You can see now OpenAI FM. You click on it. Oh, this is nice. In OpenAI FM, it is free. You don't need registration. You don't need your email address to register. You can see the voices. You can choose to use any voice. And also, it gives you opportunity for the tone. Look at the vibe, yeah? If the voice, you want a sincere voice, it will give you a sincere voice. If you want a cheerleader voice, if you want a sympathetic voice. Okay, let us click alloy and click sympathetic and let's see what it gives to us there.
I'm so sorry you're dealing with these connection issues. I know how disruptive this can be. especially during important meetings. Let's start by checking the basics.
You can see now. Okay, I'm using sincere voice now. Let me look for Cora. Okay, let's see.
Thank you for reaching out. And I'm truly sorry about the unexpected charge on your...
You can see the emotions in the voice. Yeah, you can see the emotions in the voice. That is it. So I'll be using this. And if you come here by the vibe, you can look at voice effect, calm, composed, and reassuring. The tone, sincere, empathetic. You can see pacing. You can see slower during the apology to allow for clarity. You can see now. So that is it now. That is it. We are going to be using this voice. So I have the script now. I'm going to be removing this script. I have a script that I'll be using for the voiceover. Then this is the first one. Okay. For the first scene, paste it here. Good one. Okay. And for the second scene, we have the voiceover narration for the second one. You can see the reason why we are using OpenAI FM for that voiceover. Okay, because you have the opportunity to choose different voice effects and also adjust it here. You can make corrections here. You can see you can make corrections here. Different kind of voices, you have it. The kind of tones that you want, the pacing, the pronunciation, the pauses, and it makes so perfect. Let's try this. Let us try this. Let's try this.
Life never pauses for anyone. While we wait for the perfect moment, time quietly moves on. Dreams begin to come true when...
That is it. You can see now. We have this. That is what we need for that digital storytelling in a watercolor format. So I'm going to be clicking edit, download here. Click on download. It automatically downloads without wasting time. So fast. So let's go and do some editing. We have to do some video editing here. So I'll be using Filmora. I'll click on this. I will import my files. You can see I'm importing my files here. Okay, I'll import everything here, including the voiceover. Import files. Okay, so that is it. I'm going to be putting this the first one. That's the first scene, and this is the second scene. Okay, let's see it. Let's play without voiceover. Okay, now let's put in the voiceover now. Let's see the voiceover. Okay, you can see the voiceover now. You can decide to separate, to divide the voiceover based on the narratives. Based on the narratives. You can see the second scene starts from dreams begins to come. Yeah, dreams begins to come. So when I get there, I know what to do. I'm going to cut it. Let's see.
Never pauses for anyone. While we wait for the perfect moment, time quietly moves on. Dreams begin to come true.
Oh yeah, it's actually work. It's perfect. It perfectly works. However, I can still decide to divide it. I'll just cut it so that I can shift this to the extreme, something like that. Okay. So I have to reduce the voice for the other one. Bring this down. This is the timeline. Let me see what we have now.
Life never pauses for anyone.
Okay, I can double click this voice. Then I'll go to this. If your video editing doesn't really have that, no problem. And I'll do docking. Lower the volume of other clips. Yeah, I'll do docking. Okay, I'll do docking. I will lower the volume of other clips. Okay, so that the voiceover can really come out.
Life never pauses for anyone. While we wait for the perfect moment.
Yeah, I still want to increase the voiceover. Let's see. So this is just perfect for your digital storytelling. Let's see.
Life never pauses for anyone. While we wait for the perfect moment, time quietly moves on. Dreams begin to come true when we stop waiting and start moving toward them.
Wow, this is nice.
Life
This is just nice. This is how you can leverage these AI tools, OpenAI FM that has varieties of voice, and it also has different kind of tones that you need. It has pacing and the kind of attitude that you need in your digital storytelling. You can also leverage Google Flow AI to generate stunning images and also to animate your video. Thank you very much. I hope you understand everything that has been taught here. And I want you to please subscribe to my channel, also comment, like, and also share. Be the best.